Sino? Okay, ako lang sa ipanawag ng atong choir. Thank you so much, ma'am, sir. So, alright. Thank you so much. Na-notice ninyo si Leo, natay mga bisita ka mga bata dito sa stage? No, so, this is also in tribute to PRRD's isa sa iyang tinawag na panata. Every year he celebrates his birthday, he always visits the children who are sick, especially the children with cancer. So tonight, these children from Papo and Kamali, they're paying tribute to the one and only, the great FPRRD. Let's give them a round of applause, everyone. Come on. Even ang mga kids na, emotional value, no? Even ang mga kids that they are not physically well, they are here tonight to pay tribute, to give respect, and to show their love and support to Tatay Digong. So atong palakpakan ng mga bata dito mga kids. Thank you very much. Alright. So before, should I render a very special song?
Yes.
Before Anapolis?
Before mag-perform silang special number, mga kaigsunan din sa Cagayan de Oro, let's watch this.
Ha? Ato sa apis